Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Analyzing the Markets with Jay Flores. So we are going to analyze the middle of the week, pretty much check what happened with the last pairs that we were looking on Sunday. So we had a total of, check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs that we started analyzing with multiple time frame system. So we are going to start right away. Let's look at USDCAD. That was the first one that we were looking at. So on the USDCAD, when we were analyzing, we were in this area over here. We were actually in this area over here. We were expecting the markets to start moving low. We were not expecting that the market was gonna break the previous low, which normally would, if you took a trade, if you scalp a trade down, I mean, you probably made a few pips, but then if you let it go, probably made more pips, but that was just lucky. But pretty much USDCAD started moving down lower. It broke the low. So we went a little bit past. We always got to remember that the support and resistance are areas. They're not strictly lines. So we got to understand that part right there. So so we went a little bit over in this one, but now it's returning. We were waiting for this to happen. So so it did move kind of our way. It went a little bit past on the first move, but we're still in the same direction. We're still on the bias for the USDCAD. Okay, so we're gonna continue monitoring this pair. Now, what are we waiting for this one to do? Well, apparently this is going to continue up. Pretty soon it's going to start doing a pullback, and that might be a good opportunity to buy it back again. But we're gonna see what happens. Okay, so we're just right now strictly checking what we were analyzing last Sunday. Let's look at CADJPY. Alright, let's go to 4 hour right here. So in the CADJPY, originally on Sunday we were right here and we were saying that the market was going to go lower, which it did. It went lower, and now it's doing this move right here. That is a retracement or pullback, and we can still move a little bit higher before we start coming down. So that's going to be a good that's going to be a good sell right there. Keep in mind that if you're going against the master trend, you're making a counter trend trade. That's what it's called when you're going against the master trend. So you can still do trades like that, but you got to be an experienced trader and just go for a few pips only. Don't go for the long run, because it's not going to happen. Sooner or later, the river is just going to keep moving that price. Okay, so that one's working real good. Okay, CADJPY. Let's look at alt CHF. This one, it's working real good also. On Sunday, we were in this area over here, I believe. We said that the market was probably going to move a little bit higher, then do a small retracement to go to look for buys in this area over here. So hopefully some of you guys took advantage of that. So that one worked real good also. Let's go to CADCHF. On CADCHF, all right, on this one, we were around this area. We knew that the market was gonna go up, which it did go up right here, and then started coming down, and then the market shoot up pretty much. Now sometimes I am gonna do mistakes. I shouldn't be doing this right here, because that would be a counter trend. So as you can see, when you're doing counter trends, even though you can get a few pips, down. Let's say you went on the 15 minutes on that move right there, you probably get a few pips, but it was a counter trend. Okay, so I'm checking something. Yeah, it was definitely against the master trend, so that's why the trend took over and it went up. So that was a good learning experience on that one. We got to check very, very close. Euro CAD. Okay, on the Euro CAD, we were around this area. I said in the video that the market was still going to move a little bit higher than this, which it did. And now it's coming down, which was this predicted move. And now we're predicting that the market is going to go up. Now, keep in mind that we are going against the master trend again. So it might go, to the very top. It might break it. So if you're going to go for your pips, you can go ahead, but just keep in mind that anytime this is going to keep going down again. Okay, so that's EuroCAD. And the last one, GBPNZD. On the GBPNZD, we were waiting for this to drop when we were right here. And we have brothers and sisters in this area. And keep in mind that I call them areas. Okay, they're not lines of support and resistance, although it's shown by lines, but they're always areas. So that means although you get a 4-hour arrow here, that doesn't mean that it's going to stay. You can still move a little bit. Okay, so we're just preparing for the drop anyways. So I started dropping, and we're expecting this market to keep going down. So I'm pretty sure this low is going to be broke all the way to the MA, and then after that one, after it goes low again, we're probably going to get a bigger retracement and then drop again. Okay, so that's our review again, middle week review of the analyzed pairs for last week. I want to show you guys something before we go. I have a special code that you can get a discount if you're interested in getting multiple time frame. That it's working really, really, really good. You know that the summer is barely getting over. After the summer, there's normally comes a very good period of trading. So we're gonna get it going. If you get this code, I'm gonna leave the link below the videos. You get it with this code right there, you get $20 off. If you send a message to Tim with Irvin, he can probably give you another $39 discount. So that'll be almost $60 off for this incredible system. So it's still available. Okay, just take advantage. I don't know how long it's gonna be, so there it goes. Well, thank you very much. I'll probably see you guys again on Sunday, or either Saturday or Sunday. That's when I'm gonna do the analysis for the full week, for the next full week. So maybe another 6, or we'll probably add a couple more pairs. Well, thank you very much. Post your questions or your comments below the video. Have a blessed week.